If you have a particular interest in vehicle body and paintwork, our motor vehicle courses could be just what you're looking for. With our Automotive Technician Accreditation Centre and some of the best facilities in the country, Coleg Gwent is considered one of the leading training providers for the automotive industry in South Wales. You'll learn about preparing metals and plastics, applying fillers and foundations, repair of minor defects and paint application. Coleg Gwent is also part of the WorldSkills UK Centre of Excellence programme, so you'll be learning amongst the best. We have 4 light vehicle repair workshops and the only motorcycle maintenance and repair workshop in South Wales, a body shop, prep room, spray booth, engineering workshops and highly qualified and experienced staff on site to ensure you get the hands-on work experience employers look for. With these facilities, you'll be sure to get your career off to a roaring start. To find out more about motor vehicle courses, visit our course search or register for our next open event now. Places are filling up fast, so don't forget to apply.